Good morning. I'm grateful and thankful na naabot ko sa pantukan how choices affects our lives. Different professions. Dili mo maabot anak nga point if wala mo choices buhaton. And everything that we have in our lives comes from a small choices. Different professions, in different dreams, there is a consistent decision-making and consistent choice. Dapat mupili ko og sakto nga choices.
What opinion is
Joe Hayward sa nice na question. Your plans to the one who created you.
Akong question, sir, is kaning ano siya. Like, what if...
Pinagagos ng buhasan to pray. Ikaw na lang ang every single ngayon. Ano ba na?
Sige na,